Hello and welcome back to Hex Edinburgh, guys. Today we're building an all-white PC for one of our customers, housed in the beautiful Lian o11 Vision case, and we're going 3-panel glass and we're getting rid of the radiator top, so it's a full fish tank build, okay? Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you want to see the full spec of this PC, it is listed in the description below. Let me know what you think. Sit back and enjoy. Now, just a quick message to anyone looking for a gaming computer but don't know where to start. You can get in touch with us using our Instagram, TikTok, website, or simply calling us. All the information is in the description and is also coming up on the screen right now in front of you. We'd be more than happy to help you out, so get in touch. We're waiting. And there you have it guys, it's all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. We absolutely love how it turned out. Massive shout out to our customer for putting their trust in us and providing them with a clean PC build, and I hope they enjoy it. Thank you very much to everyone. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.